Welcome to Grammar, your workplace English lessons.
Today we will discuss 5 verb phrases that you commonly hear in your workplace. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Fill out. Fill out. It means to complete a form. Example: fill out the vacation forms completely. 2. Carry out. Carry out. It means to complete a task or request. Example: the construction of this warehouse was carried out by AYG Company. 3. Run out of. Run out of. To use up or finish something. Example: the CWH has run out of toners in stock. 4. Take on. Take on. It means to hire or accept new employees. Example: the department has stopped taking on new staff at the moment. 5. Hand in. Hand in. To submit or give a report to someone. Example: please hand in your inventory reports tomorrow. This is all for your 1-minute workplace English lesson. Please don't forget to type your comment below, hit the like icon, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell button so you will not miss our uploaded videos on warehousing and workplace English lessons.